Hello friends, we saw our last videos regarding footing reinforcement quantity. So this is the second video. Before we saw only one footing, x direction and y direction, how to take the reinforcement quantity and how to we are updating the B.B.S bar bending schedule. Okay, now I am going to teach about the various type of footing, how we are prepare the bar bending schedule. Okay, see here different type of footing: f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6. You can see here x direction and y direction, like this all x and y directions, and this all sizes, footing sizes, different size of footings. Example, if we take f1 footing, we can see here two direction, x direction and y direction, and x direction length is 2000 millimeter and y direction width is 1000 millimeter. This is diameter of the bar 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter, and here 12 millimeter and here 10 millimeter. So what is this 10 and what is this 12 millimeter, what is this 10 millimeter? Here 12 millimeter mean x direction, 10 millimeter mean y direction. Same here also, x direction 12 millimeter and y direction is 10 millimeter. So okay, so now we will take the steel reinforcement quantities for this different type of footings. Okay, this is for sample of plan. Okay, x direction is like this coming, see here x and here y directions, and this all center to center space is 150 millimeter center to center space, and here clear is 50 millimeter. Okay, and we can assume this footing thickness is 300 millimeter. Okay, so we will going to update in this table. Okay, this table is already linked, okay, to where, to this B.B.S bar bending schedule. You can see here this all some errors is showing, but I will not edit anything from here because this all data is linked to this table. So I will update to this table. Now you can see this table. See, this is my table, general details of footing, this one. Okay, so here I will update now. f1 here, f1, f2 here, f2 here, f3. What is this all? This all footing: f4 footing, f4 footing, f5 footing, f5 footing. Okay, and direction is x direction, y direction, same as other all. Okay, so dia is they are telling, okay, x direction, all x direction is 12 millimeter. See here it's 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter all. And the y direction, all footings y direction is 10 millimeter dia. You can see here, this one and this one and this one. So now I am going to update f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6 footings. Okay, I will type here 12 millimeter dia and y direction 10 millimeter. So I will take copy I don't know why this is okay now. Okay, wait a moment please. Okay, here now I take all dimensions, so not dimensions, diameter of the bar I copy. Now I'm going to paste this all. Okay, sorry. Copy, and here I will put all paste here. So what is this meaning? X direction all 12, all 12 x direction, all y direction is 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeters, and footing thickness. Okay, footing thickness is 300 millimeter. Before I told you, you can see here this is 300 millimeter footing. So what I will do here, only this here, this color. Okay, here if I type 300, other all zero will be 300 millimeter, because all footing thickness is 300 millimeter. So I will write here 300 millimeters. See here, automatically this all change. Now footing length, I know already. In here is all footing length is f1. If we take x direction to 2000 millimeter and y direction is 1000 millimeter. So I will take this all like this, copy, and I will footing length I will paste as a values. Okay, so now clear cover is all 50 millimeter. Okay, so I will change only here only, okay, which is selected the cell. If I change 50, all other 0, it means here, this all place will be 50, because I already make the link. Okay, 50 millimeter clear cover. Okay, see all change. So now effective length, before I told you effective length mean we are directing both side clear from the footing length. Example, if 2000 millimeter length mean we are directing both side here 50 millimeter and here 50 millimeters. So this is the effective length. See here, this is all. See, you can see here what is this footing length, 1900 plus 100, so 2000. Here 900 plus 100, 1000. So effective mean without clearance. Okay, And here, before I told you bends, we have two sides bends. Okay, example, one side is 300 millimeter 14 thickness, mean we have to deduct top and bottom 50-50. So 100 millimeter minus 100, so we will get 200 millimeter each length of bend into both sides. So that's why it's coming 400 millimeter. Okay, this deduction. Okay, wait a moment, I will show you. Okay, this also I already explained you. If 90 degree, we have to deduct the bent angle. One bent angle is, if 90 degree, we have to put the British standard formula 2D. Okay, so as per the British standard, we put the formula, so we are getting this whole length. Okay, better, if you are watching this video, you have to watch my first part of this video, so you will clearly understand about this. This is cutting length. Okay, cutting length mean effective length plus bar bent both side plus minus bent angle. Okay, this opposite effective length, before I already told you in my video 1, the part 1. Okay, so here everything is perfect. So if you have any doubt on this video, you have to go through part number 1. You will understand what is or how to do the first step. Okay, this is center to center space. Okay, center to center space, I told you all center to center space is 150 millimeter. If I type here 150 millimeter, so this all zero will be 150 millimeter, because of I already made the link. Okay, so now I will type here 150 millimeter center to center space. Now I will make okay. Okay, see here, all center to center space is changed automatically because of I made link here. And if you want to know the total number of bars, we have to take the opposite effective length divided by center to center space, then we have to add 1, so we will get total number of bar. So now check B.B.S. See here B.B.S. Okay, this is the B.B.S bar bending schedule. Is already linked to my previous schedule. So this is all updated. Now you can see here. Total weight is K. Total weight how much? How many ton? 1.06 ton. It means 1059 kilogram, including 3% wastage. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah,